Welcome in a business guide. My name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own C corporation in the USA. This is a step-by-step guide. I always say that we as a business owners, we should focus on running the business, providing value to people, like generating revenue, not caring too much about accounting, administration, and trying to micromanage everything, even how to start a company. So in this video I will show you the easy way how we can do it, and I hope you enjoyed it. So without further ado, let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you do it, you'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help you start your own C corporation. And the first thing you want to do is just click here, start my business. When you're going to do it, you're going to start your business with confidence. You want to choose where you're going to have the LLC and everything, and click here C corporation. Then state of formation, you're going to choose a state in which you want to start your own C corporation. So let's say Kentucky, Maryland, Massachusetts. Let's say I'm going Montana, right? Or even, I don't know, let's go New York. Now in right here, you're going to have 3 plans. It really depends what kind of state you choose in which you want to start your own C corporation, but the prices will differ. Now with the silver, with the packages that are same, but the pricing is going to be different. Now with the silver package, you're going to have the basics as filling the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. But with the gold version, you're going to have one-time transparent payment. And then you see right here that you're going to have everything in a gold package with the business tax consultation, business tax number, also IRS form, corporate bylaws. So I definitely recommend going with the gold version. But what you can do, you can also go with the platinum, in which you're going to have also the option to have an expedited filling. So that means that your C corporation will be filled faster. But if you're going to choose the gold package, you will have even there the option to have it filled faster. So you don't have to choose the platinum if you don't need a domain name, business email, and business contract template. Then as having in a gold, click here, get the gold package. Here, we're going to add a contact person. So let's say I'm going to add Marcus Stanelius, email gmail.com. Now I will simply choose a number and write it here. Street address, city, and New York. Now you can stop anytime this video, guys. Now when you have it, and when you will fill everything here, click next. And then we're gonna go further. So you have option the state filling time. If you choose the gold package, you will have right here the offer to have it in 1 business day filling or 3 weeks. So this is like completely up to you if you're in a hurry, if you want to have it faster. Then click next here. And then we're gonna have and choose our C corporation name. So here I can name it, let's say, Marcus Agency. And then you're going to choose the designator, which one you want. Limited, LTD, incorporated, completely up to you, corporation. Number of directors. Again, that's another thing that you will choose here. And then business purpose. What is the business purpose here? So I'll write here marketing services for small business owners, let's say, in my field. Industry, again, I'm going to write marketing here as a keyword, and then it will load you everything. So if you're in construction, you will write construction. Then when you're gonna have it, you're gonna have the corporate stock information. So number of shares, let's say I'm going to have 500, and like this. Share per value, and number of shareholders, let's say 2. Again, you're gonna choose it based on your corporate stock information. This is just like an idea what you can add here. Then when you go further, you're going to have options to have a professional business address or use your own address. So these are the 2 options. You can simply use your own address and then simply click here. And then when you're going to have it, you can also choose the professional business address because it will maintain privacy by using a commercial address, but you can use your own. Now when you will have it, you will click again next. Then you can have options to upgrade for premium service package. So this is something that you can do, but you don't need to do it. And you will see right here that business contract templates, domain and business email address. This is something that you will get here. If you don't need to, don't want it to, click here, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity, or get upgrade and bonus. Completely up to you. Then you're gonna have a director. You would add it right here. And then if you're gonna have like multiple directors, you need to fill it everything here. Then you need to gonna find an officer information. So here you need to add like president, CEO, who is secretary, and you would add from the directors that you added, treasurer, who is the vice president. All of that you would add here. Now when you go further, you're gonna click next here, and then you're gonna have shareholders. So okay, this is the first shareholders, let's say 500 shares, or like 250. And shareholder 2, other person, let's say number of shares, again 250. In both we got 250 shares. So this is where you're gonna add all the shareholders. Now I will click next again. And then you are gonna need a registered agent. So you can act as your own registered agent, but what I recommend is having with Incfile. So they will cover it for you for the first year completely for free. And you can read here about it, free first year, guaranteed rates, all inclusive, reduced junk mail, and then you would just click next year. Then you see also tax identification number. So you can simply choose here and then SSN number. And when you have it, and when you got everything here, then you have to choose just physical street address, where you would get the tax identification number information. Then you would click simply next here, and then you see the setting up small business banking, so you can easily start your own bank account with Bank of America, and they would contact you. But again, you don't need to have it if you don't want to. It's like completely up to you. And then you would press next again. And here you're gonna have the free consultation. So this is something that I definitely recommend to understand the C corporation taxing, how to reduce self-employment, commonly missed tax deductions. So, and I would recommend heavily to click here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. And then what you would do is just simply click next here. Then you can identify 2 licenses for your consulting business in New York. And you see here, yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary applications. Or no thanks, I'll do the work by myself. Again, my recommendation is let them like share it with you, all the licenses that you need. So you would add here the company address and they will just send it to you. Then you can simply press next again. And right here, you're gonna have the review order of everything in your whole C corporation. And you're gonna check everything if everything like is correct. And then when you're gonna have it, you want to click next here, and then you're gonna have the billing information, in which you would add a first name, last name, street address, card number, and everything, and then you would simply click here, complete and pay. And this is pretty much it, how we do it. So thank you very much guys for watching. This was how you can start your own C corporation. And I hope I helped you on your journey. So thank you very much. If you can have any questions, write it down below in the comments, or you can even write to Incfile. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.